Watch to the end. I have a bonus for you on a video on how you can hack and withdraw money from any ATM card without the PIN or the phone number.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Before you go, I want to teach you guys how you can browse with your phone just like a system, converting your phone into a system like laptop, desktop, or wherever. 100% possible. Now, this what you need to do, very simple as this. Go to your app. You get to your app, search for Chrome. Fine. Now you click on the Chrome. Now it's going to open like this. Now this is the phone view. This is the way you view it on a normal Android phone, a smartphone. Now I'm going to show you how you convert this and let it view just as if you are using a system to browse, converting your phone to a system. If you are enjoying this video, kindly subscribe, hit that red subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video, because here on this channel we drop videos that will make you more creative on how you can be creative with your smartphone, and of course how you can actually cash out just using your smartphone. So let's proceed with the video now. So what you need to do now, you go to the top right hand side, you click on it. Now here are options. Now what you need to do here now, you come to desktop sites, click on desktop sites. As you can see guys, my phone has changed. Now the phone has changed as if I'm using our system. This is not a system view. You can actually click in and search for anything. This is how you change your phone into a system view. 100%. So if this is your first time seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe please, and check in the description link below. I'll be dropping the link to this Chrome in case you don't have it on your phone. Just go to the description link below, click on it and install this Chrome on your phone. It's very important. Alright guys, I promise to give you guys bonus on how you can make withdrawal from any ATM card without the PIN, the password, or the phone number. Now this is going to happen. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I'll be dropping the video. I'll be dropping the video any moment from now. You don't really want to miss the video, like seriously. Just stay tuned to get notified.